Hello, welcome back to our tutorial series on Xcode Cloud and CI/CD processes. We are learning a crucial aspect of your development workflow, setting out notification. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to configure Xcode Cloud to send you updates via email or Slack, informing you whether your build has succeeded or failed. Today's lesson is concise and focused on notification, assuming you're already familiar with creating workflows in Xcode Cloud. To get started, open out your Xcode project. Click on Report and ensure Cloud is selected. In the bottom left corner, click on the three dots and select Manage Workflow. You can choose any workflow that you would like to get notified when it is finished. I will click on Beta Test. Since we want to notify when it is finished, it will be under Post Action. Click on the Add button and click Notify. You will get notified when all the build has success or only fixes, or don't notify success at all. Similar to failure, you can get notified for all failure or only breaks, or don't get notified. To get notified via email, click on the Add button and then enter your email address. In this video, I will not show you an example, but you can enter any email address that you would like. For Slack, click on the Add button under the Stack selection. However, setting out Stack is not that direct. If you want to do that, you can click to connect. However, I will not show you here, but the process will be that you have to click Allow to install the app into your Stack workflow. Once done, you will need to grant Xcode Cloud access to your Stack account and then choose a Stack channel. The Apple documentations will be provided below, but I will skip this as it is easy to set up. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to know anything about SwiftUI or anything related to Xcode or Xcode Cloud, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next lesson.